My name is Chelsea Bird-Llewellyn, and I'm a senior instructor at the University of Idaho and the School of Family Consumer Sciences in the Apparel, Textile, and Design program. Last year, I got to go with a group of WSU students and faculty and doctors and dentists from the United States on a service trip with Hearts in Motion. They support rural, low-income communities in Guatemala and other countries and provide services that people might not have access to otherwise. So we came on the trip just to kind of see what the program was and ended up landing at the Guatemala campus and working with children and adults in apparel, textile, and design related fields. So we taught them how to sew. They have several sewing machines on the campus. We taught them how to needle felt. We did embroidery, we did weaving, we made bags, and then we had a little bit of a fashion show. Dr. Ginny Lane will be helping test for bone density as well as height and weight and perhaps some nutrition cooking classes. Additionally, Kathy Bierman, who runs the WSU, was realizing that women who were on their period were not coming to clinic to get tested for iron deficiency. And so she asked our program and students to make reusable menstrual pads. So we had a couple of students design that last year and distributed just under 400 pads. And we brought 150 with new design as well as new fabric choices that student Kenzie Epley used her undergraduate research dollars and expertise in order to make.
I didn't think I'd get chosen out of the other students to be able to go, and then we went and fell in love with the trip, fell in love with the people here.
Hearts in Motion has been nothing but wonderful. The FCS program at the University of Idaho sent an email about it, and Hearts in Motion was all about serving and outreach and just helping people.
I love helping others in any way I can. Even my major ties into this. I never knew my major could be very important in how I could help these communities out in any way possible.
I got to travel abroad and I get to serve people, which is something I've been super passionate about forever, and it was a great opportunity that the school offered for us.
I think my favorite part of this trip has been connecting with all of the people and being able to learn different parts of culture and parts of the community in Guatemala.
My favorite experience, giving out toys to the little kids and seeing how these little kids relate back to, my family and how I'm giving back to a new community.
I love getting to work with the children. I love getting to apply what I've been learning in global nutrition in some of my courses at the University of Idaho, and being with a great community of people who are all here to just serve and help other people.
This is my second time on this trip, and I would do it over and over again.
I am planning to come back next year or whenever I can. Once I become a dietitian, I'll be coming back to help very, very poor families and kiddos.
It's really nice to see how you can help make a difference.
It's a one-time life experience. You truly have to just live it and see it with your own eyes.
I would just encourage anyone on the fence about it or kind of iffy about it to just go for it. And if you're curious or want to know more things, just ask questions about it.
I just really fell in love with the people of Guatemala and the staff, the Hearts in Motion staff. I think that they have a really amazing mission and they're doing great work, and I'm really delighted to be a part of it.